bad for me, but I'm me a fuck genie. Real like pumpkin, like Beenie. Always.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. About a decade ago, when Mavado and Vybz Kartel did a clash, Mavado do a song and in the intro, him say war is in the air. That intro is so relevant to what going on right now in the industry because in my opinion, at the first, me see so much artists I go against so much artists, so much camps I go against so much camps. Yes, from time to time, one artist will show some shades or some subliminals at a next artist. One camp rise up and go against a next camp. But right now, it's like every single camp in the industry going at or going against another camp. If you can take a second and really watch what going on from the Jahshii and the Skeng, the Massacre and the Intense, come right down to the song where Vybz Kartel released a short while ago, and in the song, the man clearly call out Beenie Man as a liar. Yes, no matter say watcha, that is Vybz Kartel. Him not really mean nothing, him and Beenie Man a friend or whatever the case may be. But when you can go check out the song for yourself. All Briscoe, me see a par with a one matic. Squash same way, a fire AK. Me really and truly don't know if a because length forward and say Sting will be on this year. So all of the man them a gather them artillery and a gather some ammunition and just a heap them up and a put them down and a wait until that moment in case length plan a clash between them and somebody. Me no know, but it look like a that. Jahshii on the other hand, him go back on him words and me I go tell no about that. But before me get in all the details, me I go ask you to do me one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you'll be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. If you are not new, leave a like on this video and also leave a comment. We'll get straight into the details now. So Vybz Kartel, the Gaza boss, released a brand new track and it titled White House. In the song, him basically explain to everybody why he is so relevant up until now and why him is really the king of the dancehall. But not only that, him say something in the song and we really have to talk about it. This is what him say.
Wish bad for me, but I'm me a fuck genie. Real like pumpkin, like Beenie.
The man a say yo them wish bad for him, but him a not genie. Him real like Bunty and him not lie like Beenie. Right there, so him a big up bounty killer, but him a this Beenie Man. As me said earlier, many of us might have said, watch you know, him not really mean nothing, and that is Vybz Kartel just trying to be relevant, trying to be controversial as usual. But at the end of the day, remember, Beenie Man one time did the same as a Gaza, and there is always been a little bit of conflict between the two. Remember, Beenie Man say him are the king of the dancehall up until now, while Vybz Kartel believes that him is really the king of the dancehall. So there is always a little tussle between the two artists. And for Vybz Kartel forward in a song, as usual, we know Vybz Kartel got to work. Them man they no bother in the bag of subliminals like enough of them new artists and a beat around the bushes and afraid to call name. Them man they got direct, and that are the reason why him call out Bunty Killer name and him call out Beenie Man name, even though him call out Bunty in a the good way and him call out Beenie in a the bad way. Me now really get too deep in it, but want to tell me one thing, you know, feel like this is genuinely a shade or a diss aimed at Beenie Man or Vybz Kartel. See what I go on, see a bag of people that talk about clash, him name not really call, and him just do this to try and stay relevant. 6 Boss Squashman, we see him make a post on him Instagram, and this is what the post say. Motor Efree, Wagwan it even fears me, evil me meds daily. We see so right there so it look like it is a rhyme or it is a line for a song. But then now, after saying that, Squash go ahead and this is what him post on him Instagram page.
Spaceship, be a brick, be a cup of shot in a cake clip.
Yes, so basically, he must say spaceship, slavery, and whatever the case may be. But clearly, she said, this look like, say, it is a top banger where Squash waiting to release, probably aimed at somebody, as me say, at the first in the industry. Me see so much artists going at it, and maybe Squash also want to stay relevant, say, make people them know, say, yo, him still there, And if a boy feel like them want to test the 6 bars, remember, him got toe to toe with one of the greatest in the industry right now, which is Alkaline. So nobody feel like say him no walk over and tell me what you think about that one. Briscoe, on the other hand, me not really know him as no hardcore gangster DJ. Obviously, he's a good artist. Now, when Leng did I say Sting I go forward this year, Briscoe one of them where we see her endorse it. And I say, yo, any boy bad, just push out a Sting, cause Sting I go forward. And all who are run up them mouth and say them bad, them have to go forward a Sting and prove themselves. Even one of my subscribers say, brother, Briscoe not really nobody if you come and talk about prove self, which you cannot underestimate nobody. We see that with Jamil, we see that with Virgin, not because the man them may be a conscious artist or maybe them is a girl artist. You go feel like say you can just run up on them and rub them out and so it go. But what Briscoe say in a this unreleased track is what we are going to talk about. Check it out.
You see me face me a criminal. Headshot me give boy me no fling subliminal. The AR the 15.
So right there's the man I say yo from you see him face, you see say him a criminal. Headshotting Giboy, him no fling subliminals. Probably him a talk about Silk Boss and Jahshii and everybody were afraid for call name. Even though we say Silk Boss not afraid for call name, but we know how this new set of dancehall artists stay. Them we fling subliminals from now till Daikin don't come and them not call no name. All them a do, them a beat on bushes. So probably this unreleased track where Briscoe have is not a song directed at anybody specific, but it's a song directed at all who in the industry now we are beat around the bushes and I drop some little subliminals for each other and not call name. Briscoe tell us say yo, watch out no, call name. We no fling subliminals. No, the caption to that song is what really caught my attention. And the caption say warning, then he say tag him. So it looks to me say probably him not just mean everybody in general, him attack somebody specific. We go through the comments, me not really see nobody I get tagged. Maybe people with the close in a Briscoe circle know exactly who him attack, but for right now, we don't know. So we have to go wait until the track release to see if more call anybody name or if you see what the title said, cause sometimes they put in the title. Jahshii now, him take a huge step back on his words, and this is not something new for dancehall artists. From time to time, we see them say things and we know say them no mean it because the exact thing what them say them nah go do within days, sometimes within hours of them saying it, at that them go do. A few weeks ago, in an interview, him say yo, he more cut out the violent song and all of them things because really and truly him is a very versatile artist. And not just say him is a versatile artist, him culture sang them, him upliftment sang them do way better than him Badman sang them. So me feel like said that was also a good initiative for Jahshii take. Cut off of the violence sang them, stick to our work for stick to what the people them love and stick to the better part of the music. But now, after running away from Silk Boss for weeks, him finally released a track titled Middle Day, and that is why me and a lot of people I say him step back on him words because him say him now go do this, but then him ending up do it. The reason why me say it is not unusual in the industry. Remember, the greatest in the industry right now, Vybz Kartel. Them man they used to burn out bleaching and them man they say where the bleaching for. Right now, them man they bleach out the most in the industry. And them man the same way, burn out freaky girl. And right now, them man they turn evil the Christian in a church, the pastor, daughter, in a freak. So no matter what an artist say now, it not fears me. Because anytime push come to shove and them need to do something to stay relevant, them need to do something controversial, the same thing where them did turn them back pan are the same thing them are going to take up. I just saw it go. This is music, this is a art, and the artist them are do any and everything for bring food pan them table, for get bookings and also for capture and keep capturing the fans. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think down below. Is this song where Vybz Kartel released a direct diss aimed at Beenie Man? Is Briscoe trying to get into a lyrical battle with someone, or there is some beef going on between him and somebody and him take him time and bring it to the public? Tell me down below in the comment section. Bless up.